Hi everyone and welcome to channel Ankit Food for Thought. Today I'm going to make a healthy recipe which is sprouts breakfast recipe. Hope you will enjoy it. Now food facts. Today I will discuss the food facts of two main ingredients which are coconut and sprouts. Number 1 is coconut. It is high in manganese which is essential for bone health and proteins and cholesterol. It is also rich in copper and iron which helps us to form red blood cells. It may benefit heart health, may promote blood sugar control and contains power and antioxidants. It also enhances weight loss, improves skin health. Number 2 are sprouts. It helps in digestion, boosts blood circulation, helps in weight loss, builds your immune system, improves eyesight, is heart friendly and helps to reduce acidity. Ingredients. So here we are using sprouts, then we are using cottage cheese, pear which is dices of coconut, sweet lime also known as mosambi. Here we are using sweet lime juice, sweet onion sauce, coconut milk. Now I am going to mix all the ingredients. First I am going to add the cottage cheese to it. Now I am going to add coconut milk, after that I am going to add diced pear, some coconut dices, and sweet lime juice. After that, sweet onion sauce. You can use as per your own taste. Now mix these. Now I'm going to mix all these. So this is a very healthy salad recipe and you're going to love it. After that we will just refrigerate it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now plating. So I have used coconut chutney for plating and sprouts which I prepared after mixing all ingredients. Here I have also used half pear and sweet onion sauce. Food for thought. On the occasion of World Coconut Day, I am going to represent this dish which is very healthy for breakfast. Now a quick recap. So ingredients. The main ingredients used over here are sprouts, diced coconut 1 bowl, 1 bowl sweet lemon juice or mosambi, diced cheese 1 bowl, sweet onion sauce. Preparation. Mix all the ingredients and refrigerate it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now plating. I have used coconut chutney for plating and sprouts which I prepared after mixing all the ingredients. For coconut chutney, I have used grated coconut, a little bit of curd, salt, black pepper and milk. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.